Welcome, in front of me I have REALME GT, and today I will show you speaker sound quality test. I will play the music from the audio library channel. You can find here no copyright music, and I will take the most famous song. Of course, I'm going to set it up on the highest volume level and also on the highest quality. Let me just turn off the ads. Let's turn on the highest quality, and then let's play it, and start from this volume so we can listen how it sounds. So as you can hear, that's how the speakers sound in this phone. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.